Can you hear it? This is an owl and it's hooting. You can even repeat it. Let's do it together. Hoo, hoo.
Woo! Woo! It's so beautiful. But why are its eyes closed?
The owl is sleepy.
But it's morning now.
You're right. But owls sleep all day long and they are awake all night long.
Wow!
Look, it moves. Maybe it noticed something.
How can owls do this? I cannot turn my head this way.
Owls can do incredible things by turning their head. Don't even try to do the same. That's the owl's home.
I guess it's going to sleep.
Owl wants to play with you. Did you know that owls are very nimble and fast? Try to catch this owl. Tap on the owl when you see her in the hollow. Look at the owlets. They look so much like their mother. Let's collect these pieces to get the image owlet. Where is the owlet's body? Excellent. Where is the owlet's head? Where are the owlet's wings? Perfect. Where is the owlet's tail? Give it another try. Where is the owlet's right leg? Let's try again. Perfect. Where is the owlet's left leg? Try playing with the forest animals.